So in this video, I'll be showing you how to style these knotless braids.
She got the you know I shine on them, I spray sheen on them. That's worth the south side, Jamaica Queens on them. I'm mad Queens on them.
First things first, I'm just going to put edge control on. So I'm just gonna put my bonnet on. And you can get this in the description box below. This is my go-to style of how I do my knotless. So I either like whatever part your braider has parted on the side is fine, and then I take 2 braids under each side. This style helps me a lot when I want to keep my hair down, but I don't want to have it in my face per se. So we're done with that style. We're gonna do the next one. I'm gonna leave out these 2, and then I'm gonna just do a half up, half down. And then you can also like get some braids from the back. So I'm gonna get like, how many braids is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some braids from the back. And then just wrap it around like so. Take these braids, wrap it around wrap it up over my ear. So this is what the bun look like. It's cute. It's cute. Thank you for watching my channel.